Now discussing about Unit 1, exercise 1.3, sum number 2, second sum. If A equal to this matrix and B equal to another matrix, and to find AB and BA, to find product of two matrices AB and BA, this is our first. A equal to the given matrix and B equal to another matrix. To find product of two matrices AB and BA is our question. Okay. Second, another, solve the system of linear equations x plus y plus 2z. X plus y plus 2z equal to 1. X plus y plus 2z equal to 1, comma 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, and last one 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, and last one 2x plus y, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to plus 3z equal to 2. X plus y plus 2z equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7, and 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 2. Okay, this is our second question. If the matrix A is given and B is also given, find AB and BA. This is our first question. Second, solve the system of linear equations. These equations will be our solution. First of all, to find A into B, product of two matrices A, B, A into B. So, to find AB, so A into B equals to minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, plus 1, into 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Just another information. Just another information. Row by column method. Okay. First row and first column. Product of two matrices A into B. This matrix A and A into B equal to this. Okay. Just another information. First row, first column, minus 5 into 1, minus 5, plus 3, minus 10. Second, first row, second column, minus 5, plus 2, plus 3. And first row, last column, minus 10, minus 10 plus 1 plus 9. Next, second row, first column, 7 into 1, 7 plus 3 minus 10. Second row, second column, 7 plus 2 minus 5. Second row, last column, 14 plus 1, 14 plus 1 minus 15. Next, third row first column 1 minus 3 plus 2. 1 minus 3 plus 2. Third row second column 1 minus 2 plus 1. Next, last row last column 2 minus 1 plus 3. So AB equal to minus 5 plus 3 plus 6. So 3 plus 6 same side 9. So 9 minus 5 means 4. So 4 in this place. 2 plus 3 5. So 5 minus 5 0. In this place 1 plus 9 10 plus 10 minus 10 0. Second row 7 plus 3 10 10 minus 10 0. In this place 7 plus 2 minus 5. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 1 4. Last one 14 plus 1 15. 15 minus 15 0. 1 plus 2 3. 3 minus 3 0. 1 plus 1 1 2. 2 minus 2 0. 2 plus 3 5. 5 minus 1 4. So equal to 4 into identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So equal to 4 into I 3 unit matrix identity matrix. Okay, this is our AB. AB equal to this value 4 into identity matrix. This is our first one answer. To find A into B, right of AB. Next to find BA. B into A, BA. So BA equal to this one is B 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3 2 1 3. B into A. Okay, B into A. So 1 1 2 1 1 2 3 2 1 3 2 1 2 1 3. Okay, B. Next into A. Minus 5 1 3 minus 5 1 3 7 1 minus 5 7 1 minus 5 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 plus 1. So just another motivation. First row first column. First row first column. Take first row first column. So 1 into minus 5 minus 5. 1 into first row the first column. Okay, 1 into minus 5 minus 5. 1 into 7 plus 7 2 1 2. Next first row second column. First row second column plus 1 plus 1 minus 2. First row last column 1 into 3 plus 3 1 into minus 5 minus 5 2 into 1 2. Next second row first column 3 5s are 15, so minus 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 is 1, last second row second column plus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Second row last column 9 minus 10 plus 1. Next third row first column 2 5s are 10 minus 10 plus 7 plus 3. Last row second column, okay, 2 plus 1 minus 3. Last row, last column, 6 minus 5 plus 3. So BA equal to B into A equal to minus 5. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 minus 5 is plus 4. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Second row. 14 plus 1 is 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Minus 10 plus 10, 0. 5 minus 3. Sorry, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4 into identity matrix, 1, 0, 0. 4 into identity matrix, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That equal to 4 into identity matrix I3. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, compare these two equations. From equation 1 and 2, use A into B equal to B into A equal to 4 into I3, identity matrix, okay, 4 into I3. So divided by 4 on both sides. Divided by 4 on both sides. So 1 by 4 into A. 1 by 4 into A, B equal to 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into BA equal to I3, identity matrix, okay, identity matrix. So B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A. This is our common result. B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A. So 1 by 4 into A equal to, let us say, so inverse of the matrix B here. So B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A. This is our common result. This is our first one answer. Product of two matrices A and B, B and A also. Next to find solve the system of linear equations. Solve the system of linear equations. Okay. AS equal to B, the form of the matrix is AS equal to B, where A equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 into number of unknowns, 3 unknowns, x, y, z, x, y and z equal to the constant value 1, 7, 1, 7, 2, 1, 7, 2. Ax equal to B, capital A into capital X equal to B equal to, where capital A equal to, where capital A equal to matrix capital A equal to square matrix 3 by 3 or 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, comma, capital S is equal to small s, y, z and capital B equal to 1, 7 plus 2, 1, 7, 2. Then the value of B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A. Here A is equal to B, A equal to this matrix and B equal to this matrix. To find the value of x, y, z, okay, x, y, z. 1, 1, 2. A is equal to B. B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A equal to B into x, y, z equal to 1, 7, 2. So x, y, z equal to B inverse of this value 1, 7, 2. So value of B inverse is 1 by 4 into A. B inverse is not there. 1 by 4 into A. 1 by 4 into A. Again this matrix 1, 7, 2. What is our matrix A? 1 by 4 into A. Minus 5, 1, 3. Minus 5, 1, 3. Second row is 7 plus 1 minus 5. Last row is 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 7 plus 2. Listen. This is our matrix form. A is equal to B. A is equal to B. Where capital A equal to this matrix. Capital A equal to this matrix. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1, 3. Into number of unknowns, 3 unknowns, x, y, z equal to capital B. Capital B means the constant numbers 1, 7, 2. So A into x equal to B. Okay, this is our matrix form. So A is equal to B. Again this matrix is the form of the B. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2 means the matrix is B into x, y, z equal to this constant matrix. So to find the value of x, y, z, so x, y is equal to, take this right hand side. So B inverse equal to the matrix x, y, z equal to B inverse into this column matrix 1, 7, 2. So again the value of B inverse is what is? B inverse equal to 1 by 4 into A. So 1 by 4 into A. 1, 7, 3, 1, 7, 2. So equal to 1 by 4 into, what is A matrix? Minus 5, 1 plus 3, 7, 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 7, 2. The first matrix order is 3 by 3 and second matrix order is 3 by 1 because the new matrix is 3 by 1. 3 by 1. So x, y, z equal to x, y, z equal to first row, first column minus 5 plus last row, first column plus 1 minus 7 plus 2. So equal to 13 minus 5. Minus 3. 3 minus 7. Minus 4. Seven plus 7, 14, 14 minus 10, 4. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 minus 7, minus 4. So 1 by 4 into this value. So take this 4 is common. So 4 into 2, 1 minus 1. So 4 cancel. So 2, 1 minus 1, x, y is equal to this minus 7. So x is equal to 2 and y equal to plus 1 and z equal to minus 1. This is our solution. X is equal to 2, y equal to 1 and z equal to minus 1. Check. X is equal to y equal to 1, z equal to minus 1. Take any one equation, 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7. Second equation, 3x plus 2y plus z equal to 7. Substitute all values in this equation. So 3 into 2 plus 2 into plus 1 plus some minus 1 equal to 7. 6 plus 2 minus 1 equal to 7, 8 minus 1 equal to plus 7, 7 equal to 7. This is important 5 mark, okay, important 5 mark. Find AB, also BA. AB into BA. Next is solve the system of linear equation. Use these two matrices, okay va? Appo nilla one sonnaka x y z ante answer vachukom. Okay, so one sum for homework for you. Take your book, see the page number. See the page number. Same questions. Okay, see the page number 32. Example 1.24. Homework for you. Page number. See your book, page number 32, example 1.24, page number 32, example 1.24, okay, same questions here, 1.24, find if A equals one matrix and B equals another matrix, find this value, Same as okay. Page number 32, example number 1.24. A equal to capital A equal to minus 4 4 4 4 minus 4 4. Second row minus 7 1 3, and last row 5 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3 minus 1, and another matrix B equal to same as 3 by 3, 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, and last row 2 1 3, 2 1 3, same as okay. Find AB. Find the product of two matrices A into B and BA. This is our first one question. And solve the system of linear equations x minus y plus z equal to 4. Second equation, x minus 2y minus 2z. X minus 2y minus 2z equal to 9. And last equation, 2x plus y, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to plus 1. Important same as question number 3 and example 1.24 same question. Okay, to find A into B and B into A, also solve the system of linear equations. Famous example for you. Okay, next write the next one question. Second sum, 2x plus 3y minus z. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 2x plus 3y minus z equal to 9. X plus 3y minus z equal to 9. X plus y plus z equal to plus 9. Last one, 3x minus y minus z equal to 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. Solve the system of linear equation. Again, I will repeat for you. 2x plus 3y minus z equal to plus 9. X plus y plus z equal to plus 9. 3x minus y minus z equal to minus 1. Solve the system of linear equation. The matrix form is A is equal to B. Capital A into capital S equal to capital B. 2, 3 minus 1. 2, 3 minus 1. And the second row is 1, 1, 1. Last row is 3 minus 1 minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 1. Into number of unknowns, 3 unknowns, x, y is at the small x, small y, and the small z equal to capital B. 9, 9 minus 1, where capital A equal to 2 3 minus 1 2 3 minus 1 and the second row is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 last row 3 minus 1 minus 1 comma capital X is equal to small x y z capital B equal to 9 9 minus 1. This is our matrix form. Next to find capital X equal to A inverse into B. A inverse of B. Capital X equal to A inverse into B. A inverse is inverse of the matrix A. Okay. So to find A inverse, so A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, where determinant A is non-zero. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A, where determinant A is non-zero. First of all, to find determinant value and the adjoint of A. So determinant A equal to 2 3 minus 1 1 1 1 3 minus 1 minus 1. So determinant expand row wise. So 2 into minus 1 plus 1 again minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3. So equal to 2 into 0 minus 3 into minus 4 and last minus 1 into minus 4. So total equal to 0 plus 12 plus 4 equal to 16. So determinant of A equal to 16 means non-zero. So A inverse is exists. என்ன சார் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நமக்கு வந்து சிஸ்டம் ஆஃப் லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அந்த 3 ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் ஓகேவா? அப்ப எத்தனை ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் how many equations are actually mean 3 elements இருக்கும் ஓகேவா? x y z 3 elements இருக்கும். 3 equationsனா 3 elements கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். அப்பதான் ஸ்கொயர் பை ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ண முடியும். ஸ்கொயர் மேட்ரிக்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் பண்ணா தான் A inverse ஃபைண்ட் பண்ண முடியும். So write the matrix form. Capital A is equal to capital B. So A into x equal to this value, capital A equal to this matrix, and capital B equal to this matrix, and capital X equal to this matrix. So x is equal to A inverse of A inverse into B. So A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A into comma determinant of A non-zero. So determinant of A equal to this matrix, this determinant value expand mean non-zero. So A inverse is equal to students பாருங்க அந்த ஹோம்வொர்க் இல்லையா நம்ம சம் நம்பர் 3 போட்டோம் இல்லையா அதே மாதிரி தான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 1.22 சேம் क्वेश्चंस அதை அப்படியே ஒர்க் பண்ணி பாருங்க ஓகேவா இது கண்டிப்பா வந்து நம்ம எக்ஸ்ட்ரா சொல்லலாம் ஓகேவா தேங்க் யூ